Hi there, this is Gina at Art of Skincare, and today I want to talk to you about a very important ingredient that we use a lot at Art of Skincare. That ingredient is mandelic acid. Mandelic acid comes from almonds, and it's naturally brightening, and it's naturally antibacterial and antifungal. That means that mandelic acid actually helps you to control P. acne on the surface of the skin. And because it's antifungal, it also goes in and clears up that acne that tends to be in the follicle, the hair follicle. So people who get breakouts from shaving, who get any kind of breakouts in this hair area of the face or on the forehead, that's usually pseudofolliculitis, and mandelic acid is perfect for that. So mandelic acid is one of our just all-around great acids. It's great for aging skin because it's going to stimulate collagen production, but it's also going to be brightening. It's antibacterial to kill that P. acne, and then it's also antifungal to address pseudofolliculitis. Fabulous ingredient. Now, not all mandelic acids are made the same. You need to make sure that anything you're using with mandelic acid has an L in the front. So it should always say L-mandelic acid. L-mandelic acid is chirally correct, and it's the only form of mandelic acid that is going to be antibacterial and antifungal. So be sure that you're looking for that. Now, at Art of Skincare, we also have a wide variety of different products that contain mandelic acid. So we have cleansers, we have mandelic scrubs, we have mandelic toners, we have mandelic serums, and we even have mandelic moisturizer. So sometimes finding the right product for you takes a little bit of sleuthing. You don't necessarily need to be layering everything mandelic on your face. Sometimes you just need one product with some mandelic acid in it and not a whole range of that. It's overkill. So if you're wondering, well, which product should I use, then I highly recommend reaching out to our AOS Live, and one of my estheticians will help you determine which is the best mandelic acid for you to start with. Now today, I want to talk a little bit about mandelic toners. I love mandelic toner because it's light, it doesn't disrupt the skin barrier, it kills the bacteria, it brightens the skin, and there's two of them that I want to show you today. One of them is from Rhonda Ellison. We've had this one for a while, so it's been very popular. We sell a lot of it. It's a gentle toner. Use it with a toner pad. These are 2-inch gauze pads that you need to buy on our website. If you use this on a cotton ball or a cotton round, you're going to waste it, and it's going to cost you a lot of money. So I recommend using this pad. When you spray it on, go ahead, usually about 2 squirts. When you put this on, massage it well into the skin. I mean, go over the skin over and over till your toner pad is dry. Using it everywhere, really rubbing it up into the hair follicles, paying attention to wherever you might have some dark pigmentation spots, getting into your eyebrows, everywhere. Once you've got your toner applied, go ahead and let it dry so that that L-mandelic can have its effect on the skin. Once it's dry, that's when you're going to put on your other serums, your antioxidant serums, your peptide serums, your moisturizer, and of course your sunscreen. Mandelic Defense Lotion is a pretty good one in that most people can use it at least once a day, every day. Some people use it twice a day. It's pretty gentle. In fact, I even have some clients who I first put them on it for breakouts and they say, oh no, this isn't going to work. It's not doing anything. It feels like water on my skin. And then a week later, they're coming back and saying, oh my gosh, this is the best toner I've ever used. I never want to use anything else. So even though it's not disrupting your skin barrier, it's really doing its action to help clear and brighten the skin. Now, another product that's brand new, I've just been playing with it this last week, is from Bion. This is a 5% L-mandelic, and it's in the toner pads. So here's what the toner pad looks like. It's kind of a rougher pad, which I kind of like because I like to have a little bit of friction on there when you have a nice gentle toner on the pad like this. Larry Lockhart from Bion, he's really great at making his mandelic serums and his toner pads to be properly pH balanced so that they don't cause you any irritation. Where some of the other Mandelic serums, the 8% or 11 or 15% can be sometimes irritating for people, it's very rare in Bion to have an irritation with any of their Mandelic products. And I'm really in love with the new toner pad because it's so simple. Especially, I have some younger clients, especially young male clients, and they don't want to do much of anything, right? You barely get them to wash their face, and then it's hard to get them to use a toner because they don't want to use a gauze pad and spray it on there and put it on. It's just different. And some of us adults even like to have a simpler routine, and that's when this really can be great. Now for young men, football players, they love to put these pads in their gym bag. Or you gym rats or people that are working out all the time, throw these in your bag and wipe off with them after you've worked out, because this is going to kill that bacteria and it's going to be antifungal. It's going to be the perfect thing to keep your skin from breaking out. Now, I don't get breakouts very much, but I have, especially with mask wearing and whatnot, I've been getting larger pores through this area and even a few breakouts around my lips and a little bit on my nose. I've been using these a couple times a week. So this is something where you could use it once a day. You could use these twice a day, or you can just use these once or twice or 3 times a week. You really can gauge how your skin likes it and how much your skin needs to use. So once you get it out of the container, please cleanse your skin first, and then take these and rub all over and really massage it in well. All over the skin, the jawline, any areas that you're prone to breakouts, the little marionette areas around the mouth, the sides of the nose, and up in this area, the hairline where you can tend to get a lot of breakouts from hair product clean up in there. I use it on the back of my neck, the front of my neck, and my chest because I get dark pigment spots on my chest. And then if my pad's not completely dry, I'm going to take it and even use it on the back of my hands because I walk my dog, I push my grandson in his jogger, and I play tennis, and the back of my hands get dark spots. So I'll use up the rest of this on my hands. So these are great tools. Once you've used those pads, don't rinse them off. Let it completely dry on your skin, and then go ahead and add the rest of your skincare products, your serums, your moisturizers, and everything else. I find that the days when I use those pads, my skin glows the most. It's very firm on those days, and it's super glowy, and it's fantastic. So those are 2 of my favorite products that contain L-Mandelic acid. If you would like help choosing the best product with L-Mandelic acid for your skin, then just reach out to us at AOS Live. Like I said, we're here to help you. Have a great day.